What up, y'all? This is J Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, here with another video. And the difference with me is when I do what I do, when I do like I'm doing it, I do like if I'm doing it for TV. Got a video for y'all today, guys. First of all, we got the shop open today. We got a beautiful STI coming in, man. This actually became very popular. It's the gold color rims. I like it a lot. It's coming out really good. It got the gold lights in the back. It's actually a very beautiful car. We're actually doing some audio. We're gonna be doing some upgrading and making this factory screen go into a GPS factory screen, which can be a project, but we're gonna definitely get it done today. We actually have Drew working on an Aqualot car, but we got something else a little bit more crazy, guys. So I'll bring you on the bay because we have a tablet we're gonna be custom installing into a Lexus today. So we have a Lexus ES350. Look at the dash kit and look at the radio that we're actually gonna do a custom make to make this fit into here. It does not work. We're gonna make it work. So we're gonna actually be getting into this bad boy right now and getting it going and do some cutting, some modifications, and hopefully the customer's happy at the end of the day. But we just do what we have to do. We just wanna thank you guys for watching this videos, man. Thank you guys for subscribing. We have all these videos coming up from New York. Some of them are gonna be a lot funnier than the others. You gotta stay tuned to know which are the good ones and the bad ones, but they're none of them bad, man. They're just gonna be some of them a lot better than the other ones. Had a really good time in New York. Now we're back in the shop grinding here and doing what we have to do. We have our security guard. What's your name, man?
Bad Boys Basehead.
That's not your real name, man. What's your real name?
That's my real name.
What's your real name?
My real name is Bad Boys Baseheads.
Bad Boys Basehead. That's his YouTube channel. So come and watch.
I need 25 more subscribers to have a free giveaway.
What you gonna be giving away?
I'm thinking probably some Nimbus Pro Audios.
But you'll be doing what I give away. You can be competing with me, like doing giveaways.
No, I'm not competing.
You see this guy, man? He over here. He could be over here competing. He could be competing with me.
If someone wins outside the state, I'll mail it to you.
We're gonna mail it to him too, like what we do.
I don't do the install.
We don't do the install. We give away the product and we let them do what they gotta do. You see, but now he's gonna be here in the shop and competing with me on my giveaways, because the next thing we'll do for giveaway is actually a set of 4 Nemesis Pro Audio with the driver giveaway.
Well,
that's what we're doing.
To you, so you winning all the way.
I'm not winning, but I'm making no money. There's no profit margin to employees. I don't make money on my employees, man. My guys that work for me, we're a team. I don't believe in making money on them. We work together. We on the same hustle. So, you know, I don't make a 10% markup. I don't make nothing. Whatever it costs me, that's what I give it to them. That's his giveaway. We're actually coming up with another giveaway. We're doing 2 Pro Audio with the drivers installed. They're $129 a speaker. It could be 4 speakers total being given away with the retail value of almost $480 in the giveaway, guys. So you guys can just know what it's really worth out there. But, you know, we'll continue this day. I'm gonna start working on this bad boy, getting this thing situated, getting this tablet cut in, and making sure that everything's working to start off. First thing I'll be doing now is getting these wires and everything situated. That's the Toyota module. All right, so we actually got this tablet mounted on this Lexus already. This is actually a complete invention. So we got the unit back here. We made some brackets going to the side. We got the module on it. So now we got this going and we're putting it on the car and see what the results are gonna be. Make sure the customer is happy and we should be good to go. I'm about to prank a customer. We have his car for window tint. I'm gonna play a prank on him on the phone. Mr. Steve? This is J Cruz from AUDIOZONE. We have a little concern with the Toyota Camry.
Okay.
When we were taking the car in for the window tint bay, we were backing it outside and we parked it by the side of the dumpster here to be able to let it dry out with the sun, you know, because there's a strip and retint. And the garbage man came, and when he lifted up the garbage, it slipped off the trails and landed on the backside of your car.
What?
Yeah, because we parked it on the side, like a parking spot by the dumpsters there that we let the car sit, and when the garbage man came and picked up the garbage, it slid off the thing and it hit the back of your car. Like it smashed it. It didn't hit, it smashed the back of the car. They got insurance though. I got the insurance information. It's a company, so they're gonna cover it, but I just really need you to come over here and take a look at this.
Alright, I'm on my way.
I'll see you here. Okay, where's the car? Park the car in the back. Alright, because the Lexus is here. And we are getting the tablet situated. So as you can see, my guy Drew is getting my thing situated here. Let's see how she look. Android's turning on. This is a 05 Lexus ES, guys. Lexus ES, that's the antenna. Lexus ES, we're doing a tablet install, y'all. This ain't made, we made this here. AUDIOZONE. Been doing some crazy ass stuff over here, these damn Puerto Rican guys. And we got audio. Say something for the people, Drew.
No copyright.
No copyright. All right, we good to go. He's gonna be putting the dash kit in there now. We should have this really going for the customer in a few minutes, guys. We just love doing our thing. We have the prank to continue. We called the customer on his car getting hit by the dumpster. He should be in a few minutes. And we'll No copyright. But we should be having this out very shortly. And let's see how this prank. I'm a little nervous with the prank, guy. I don't like to prank my customers that hard too often, but I just thought it was an opportunity, and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and wait for the client to get in and see what happens. It's all Drew's fault on this prank. We're gonna see how far we can go with it without getting ourselves butt up. Alright, y'all, so we got done with the Lexus. This is the guy who owns the Lexus. What's your name, sir, for the camera?
I'm here.
His name Eric. How did you hear about AUDIOZONE today?
I was down there at Core Toys.
Say it again.
I was down there at Core Toys. They couldn't help me out. Some dude pulled me outside, said go down the street.
And you came here.
Yeah, I came.
So let's go see what we got done and see if this is what you wanted or if we exceeded your expectations. This is a complete invention. I want to see if this is what you wanted and see if you can go to the driver's side. You own the car, you go to the driver's side. Let's see if this is what you wanted and if we got what you wanted done the way you wanted it. Is that what you were expecting, Mr. Eric?
Yeah, that's it right there.
Were you expecting it like that or it came out better than you thought?
It came out better.
What were you expecting it to be, like more gapped out?
Yeah, it was gonna be protrude now.
And it's not.
Nah.
Man, we're gonna do always that we can, Eric, to make you happy. You are our customer. Thank you for giving us a chance to serve you today. And anything else you have, you come and see me. Now, you know we prank people like you saw me playing They Got the Garbage. So you might get caught on one of those, but man, we welcome you to AUDIOZONE. We thank you for being a customer today, Mr. Eric. Papa, you have a good one. God bless you. I'm gonna go to prank this guy with this car. All right, y'all, so we got this young man taking care of Happy. He's good to go. And we're good to go with that one. We have a problem. This is actually the guy we have the problem with. You own the camera.
Yep.
Real? Real, can you do me a favor? Poppy, I gotta go talk to this guy with the camera.
Oh, dang, I forgot.
I'm not. Guys, give me a few minutes. I have a little.
What's up, bro?
This car got hit by a dump, about the garbage man. Let me go ahead and.
Dang. And he would be a subscriber of mine and that happened to him.
Huh?
He would be a subscriber of mine and that happened to him. That's crazy.
Because the garbage is on the side where we do window tint. Let me explain to you what happened. So the guys on the side where we do the window tint, and we parked the car on the side to get the sun out, you know, to let the sun bake it in. The garbage man lifted up the garbage and the thing hit the back of the car and it didn't. I got the insurance company, the guy left, and I got the insurance company, I called the company. They'll pay for whatever damages you have with the car. I just feel bad because you left it to me and this happened to you, so I don't know if we have to go get you a rental car, because you can't drive the car, it's completely smashed. I just don't want you to be parked back here. I just worried about your emotions. Are you ready to see this? Are you okay with this?
Yeah.
Come on, you ain't got no trouble. Man, I feel bad for you, man. I'm really not happy. You hold this? You don't see it? You really don't see that damage? We don't either. We just want to get you pranked over here. Welcome to YouTube, man. Got in here. He came in with a face that was truthfully priceless. I know I had your heart racing. I even told him, man, I felt like calling you nosy joke. I didn't want you running like a demon over here. But
I didn't even know you was talking about him. You know, he texted me. He from out of town. He didn't know nobody up here.
I'm from Alabama, but I just moved.
He just moved here.
So you know us through Real?
Yes.
How long you been following Real?
When did you go down to Houston for that car meet?
That was with Tall Guy.
Yeah.
That was
years ago.
Bro, that was when I first started.
Like a long
I
time.
was at like 300 subscribers.
Man, that's
Yep.
good. I want to let you know, maybe you might unsubscribe because you know this whole prank, but nah, we ain't gonna unsubscribe. But, man, no, everything actually came out good with the car. I just wanted to, pull your leg a little bit and do it for content, but we want to thank you for. I was really freaked out with it because he was
low key. I thought it was like that. Cause I'm like, yeah, everybody around here do YouTube.
That's what I'm saying. It's like you can't fool nobody no more.
I'm gonna have it delivered to you in the front, man. We just wanna, everything's good. The only rules you have.
Now it looks better.
Yeah, the only rules you have, you can't drop the windows down for 3 days. If you see any smoke come out the dash when you're driving after the first 3 days, get out the car, run away, call 911, your car's on fire. Pretty much everything else from there, you're good to go.
All right, man. Appreciate it.
No problem. I'm bringing you up front right now. Thank y'all for watching, man. This is Jay Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat. This concludes our day for today for videos. We really, truthfully want to thank you guys for watching this, man, and thank y'all for the support. We're on our way now to 2K. From there 2K, we're going down to 5K, from 5K, 10K. We're just gonna keep on building thanks to you guys. We're truthfully thankful to you guys, and hit that subscribe button, hit that thing, share it with your friends, let them know the something going on here. We truthfully thank you. Y'all be good. God bless.